Over the past year, in far less videos than I wanted to actually make, you've seen me restoring my RX-7. But unfortunately, exactly 1 year after I posted my first video, it was destroyed. Now, it's been about a month and a half since that point, and honestly, things have been pretty rough. I'll go into more detail in a future video, but just know that, finally, for the first time since the crash, the car is with people who I trust. Anyway, after not being able to do anything for nearly 2 months, this is me getting to actually touch the car for the first time since the crash.
Believe it or not, it actually wasn't nearly this bad before. The towing companies that were dealing with it were completely careless. The hood was not pushed up over there. The windshield had no damage, not a single bit, no cracks, no hole. Then at the next tow yard that it was at, they just left it open. They left the windows down, did not cover it, and again put the hole in the windshield. Didn't cover that either. I can actually see it was Haggerty that put all this stuff on, so thank you, Haggerty. So we're going to get this wheel that the towing company broke off of it. I'm gonna put the spare tire on to make it easier for them to roll it around, and I'm gonna check for signs of life. They took the license plate off too. I have it now, but they took it off and we did not give them permission to. We didn't give them permission to do anything with the car. Take all this stuff out. I brought my own jack. I don't need to use the scissor jack. This tire is definitely too old to actually run on the car, but for pushing it around, it's fine. Don't you love the wiring? I love Mitsubishi wiring. Now, some of you might be wondering why I said Mitsubishi wiring. It's because Mitsubishi made the electronics for this car. Almost everything that I have back here right now is for this. All right. Let's see if I can find a 10 mil in this mess. It's 11, close. Oh no, now that one's too big. Okay, hold on. This used to be the flash to pass lens. They're $150 each, by the way. There we go. Don't think that's gonna straighten out. I wanted to reuse this part. I can't reveal what for yet, but we'll see if I ever reveal it. The engine doesn't look horrible. What's this? Very informative. I mean, everything's broken, but the engine itself looks fine. Look at this. This was brand new. The last video that I filmed where I showed the battery tie down, I bought it the day of that video. All right. So hot out. It's been
you're here,
so
buddy.
cold for the past like 2 weeks, and now it's 90 degrees. We're gonna just try to pull it off, see what we can do. Huh. The suspension looks fine. Well, that's a good sign. Oh yeah, you can see part of where they damaged the rim. You know, also the fact that it's dented on the other side. It doesn't hold air anymore. Nope, won't move. Probably from when I was holding on the brakes right before, and just probably rusted up over time. Suspension's, I mean, it looks fine. The suspension looks good, which is a good thing. I don't see any rust that wasn't caused by the accident in like any of these components. Even under the car still looks good. I've never used this.
I can tell.
It's not budging at all with the force though, so. It won't move at all. All right, let me grab the jump pack. I'll be right back. If I can even get my hands down there, let's see if the engine cranks over by hand. It does. Right, ready to check for signs of life?
Yep.
Nothing. This would have turned on if there was any power. Guess we'll have to see what happens.